What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are out here in Mexico and we're gonna race my Scion FRS. Yeah, it's a Scion. It has Toyota badges on it. I've seen everyone's comments on the last video. First, a Celica GTS. This is Mitch's door. I'll have his channel linked right up in the top right corner. If you guys want to go check him out, pretty dope channel. Oh wow, my mic's falling off. I think both cars have around the same horsepower. Mine's rated at like 205 and I think his is around 200 to 205 as well. So it should be a pretty close race. It all comes down to driver mod though. We all know that. As you guys saw in the FRS vs Genesis video, it's all driver mod.
We should be doing a rematch of our cars because I've been practicing.
Have you?
No.
You better be practicing, babe.
No, my freaking clutch is slipping so bad.
Oh no. Traction control off? We should do the truck versus this car.
Babe, I wouldn't be laughing. He's gonna whoop your ass and you're gonna be really embarrassed.
I'm not laughing. I'm just saying Toyota versus Toyota.
Oh.
That'd be dope. 4-wheel drive launch that bitch. You want to switch sides since your GoPro's on that side? Okay. You want to go put the car? Okay. You want to honk it off?
How about one of the girls count?
You want to count?
Yeah, I will. Okay, wait. Are you guys going from a stop?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Took the L.
Your launch was so good.
That spot's so much higher.
Really? I did too.
We were like identical as soon as we like got going a little bit.
That was so fun.
It was like, yeah. Do you want to go again?
Yeah, let's do it from just, I'll give you a free honk at like 20.
20, okay.
You guys are going from a roll now?
From a 20-year-old, yeah. They're gonna be at 100% even. Shifted too early from out of first.
I know.
That's why it got me a little bit.
That was good.
I shifted too soon out of first.
Oh no,
that thing's
really?
loud, dude.
Isn't that crazy? I have like a DNA, it's like $120 exhaust.
Really?
And it sounds so good.
That sounds pretty good.
And then an eBay intake.
Damn people in Mexico getting crabby at us. We're in Mexico, you can race all you want. Show Mexico. Yeah, it's fine. We're out in the Badlands.
Okay, that's enough.
What are you up for?
You wanna go from dig again?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to count it off?
Bobby will count off.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Damn it.
That's okay, he messed up too.
Mixing gears and passing queers. That's what we're all about out here in Elk,
You
Mexico.
don't say queers, honey. That's not a thing anymore.
Why? No, it rhymes.
Oh,
You
gotcha.
can't yell at me.
I love the outcome of this race.
I know,
It's
they're
so fun,
Dude,
dude.
they're like identical.
They're identical.
It's hilarious.
You have good torque.
Yeah,
Your torque is better.
yeah, I
It's
feel
not
like it is.
top end.
You definitely have top end on me.
It's so crazy the differences of your motor.
Uh-huh.
Like the old and then the new.
Uh-huh.
I love it, dude.
Funny.
These outcomes are perfect.
What year is that car? Like
2003.
Oh, 3, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, that's so fun.
They're like, dude, they're identical.
They're identical.
That's funny.
I love the outcome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's go do one more race up here. Let's start from like a 40 or something on here, then let's head back to the house. You'll really get me from like a 40 though. Now I'm not about to ram some head on.
You're having so much fun. I told her the best part of this video is gonna be me and you laughing so hard.
Dude,
we're like deadlocked as we're racing because the cars are so slow.
Just talking shit about me the whole time.
Oh no.
I know, right?
Yeah. So funny.
Yeah, funny.
I don't know, man. It's up to you. One more dig.
Yeah, let's not go too fast because this is the main road. Everyone knows me on this road.
So like 60, 45,
Let's do like 50.
up to 50.
Yeah, like dig to 50.
Dig to 50.
Which will probably take 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's just go right now. Alright, count it out, somebody.
1, 2, 3.
Did you see the guy in the Cadillac?
Yeah, he's trying to race.
He's trying to
too.
race all of us. Okay. Oh fuck, I wonder if he's pissed.
So cool.
Oh, I thought he should.
No, he wanted to race us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought he was like getting all mad.
No, he's like, give me a big smile. He's like, come on,
That's hilarious. You should have raced him, dude. That'd been so funny.
I know.
That'd been hilarious. So as you just witnessed, the cars were literally neck and neck the whole time. Super, super fun race. That is gonna be it though. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right up in that top right corner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.